How to redeem Pizza Hut promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser. Now on the search bar, search for CouponFollow. Then click on this website, which is couponfollow.com. On this web page, in the search bar, you want to search for Pizza Hut. Then you want to select this option. Once you click on this option, you're going to find different coupon codes or promo codes of Pizza Hut. You simply want to scroll down and find the offer which is best for you. You can click on the See Details option and get the coupon code from here. You have the option of offer details where you can find out all the information about the promo code including the expiration date. Now you can click on the copy option to copy this promo code and then click on the redeem option to directly head over to Pizza Hut's website. Remember that you can redeem the promo code in both website and the Pizza Hut application. Once you are on the Pizza Hut's website, the first step you have to do is sign in to your account. You can do that by entering your email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will have to create a new one. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to browse the menu and select the items you want to order. Simply add them to your cart. Once you have selected all the items you want to order, proceed to checkout page. On the checkout page, you should find a field labeled promo code. You simply want to enter the promo code that you have just copied. You can paste it directly. After entering the promo code, click on the option of apply. The discount associated with the promo code will be applied to your total order. And this is how you can redeem your Pizza Hut promo code. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.